Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Now today I have an extra special video because today is all going to be about why gut health is so important for your overall health and well-being. Now, welcoming wellness is all about gut health. Now, the reason that I fell in love with gut health is because your gut health orchestrates your entire well-being. Everything from your mood, your weight, your hormones, your skin, your digestion, the way you metabolize your food, the way you assimilate your food, your immune system, it is all interconnected. So when we're looking at our gut health, we're really looking at two main areas of your gut. Now, the first area is your gut lining. Now, your gut lining is only one cell thick, so it's really easily damaged. And the way it gets damaged is by environment, stress, bad food, too much alcohol. There are so many ways your gut lining can be damaged. Food additives, chemicals, all sorts of things. So it's really important to eat for your gut lining. So make sure you're eating healthy food that doesn't actually damage your gut lining, and also take supplements that can help repair that gut lining. Now, the other area of your gut health is your gut microbiome. So what is a microbiome? Now, your gut houses so much bacteria. Now, we know what probiotics are. Probiotics are beneficial bacteria, but your gut microbiome is the conglomerate of bacteria that live in your gut. Now, you want to have this happy balance between the beneficial bacteria and the undesirable bacteria. You're always going to have some yeast, some fungi, and also some, undesirable bacteria in your gut. But what we want to do is we want to have more beneficial bacteria than we do undesirable. And that's what makes a healthy microbiome. So what you need to do is you need to look at your lifestyle, because there are so many lifestyle factors that can improve your gut health or destroy your gut health. So when our gut health is unhealthy, then that's when you might start to see symptoms arise. So it can be really confusing to know where to start. But the best thing about gut health is it really reaches so many different areas of your health. You can just focus on your gut health, and hopefully those symptoms that you're looking to improve will subside. When you're really struggling with a health symptom or an issue, it can really take over your life. And when you have a laundry list or multiple symptoms, it can be really, really hard to stay focused to improve all of those different symptoms. But with gut health, you can focus on just one area, and it just makes the whole healing process so much easier because you're focusing on one area, not focusing on 10 different symptoms. So hopefully this gives you a bit of an idea why looking after your gut health is so important. Eating for good gut health, looking at lifestyle factors that might impact your gut health in a negative way, improving those things. So I really hope you do dive into the world of gut health, and maybe it can resolve some of your random health issues that you have, who knows. So if you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to this channel if you have any gut health issues and if you're looking to improve your gut health in any way.